Adios, amigos.
Hello Power BI enthusiast. Do you want to calculate the last day of any month dynamically in Power BI? EOMONTH is the DAX function that makes it easy. Today I will show you how to use EOMONTH with a real world Excel dataset to find end of month dates for reporting and forecasting. Stay tuned to the end for a bonus tip. Let's get started. First, let's bring our dataset into Power BI. We have a simple sales data table in Excel with the following columns like order date and sales amount. After that, let's import this into Power BI. Now, let's talk about the year month function. This DAX function helps us find the last day of a month based on a given date. It follows the syntax year month of start date, comma months. Start date can be any reference date like order date, and the months is the number of the months to move forward or backward. If months equal to 0, it gives the end of the current month. If months equal to 1, it gives the end of the next month. If months equal to -1, it gives the end of the previous month. Let's apply this in Power BI. Let's create a calculate column in Power BI to find the last date of the month for each order. End of month equal to year month of sales of order date, comma 0. Like that, we can find the last date of the next or previous month. We can modify the formula according to it. So that's it for today's tutorial in your month in Power BI. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Question of the day: how do you use EOMONTH in your reports? Let me know in the comments. And last one, also try to track end of quarter using this EOMONTH. See you in the next video. Happy Power BI.